I am going with a whole chicken here, hard chicken, and I'll just add some garlic herb mix, a little bit of salt, and I do that because when you pressure cook your meat, it takes away the flavor a little bit. That's 2 cups of water, and then I'll pressure cook it for about 15 minutes. So now that the chicken is fully cooked, I'm going to season and then fry. I bring the heat to medium high. This is the adobo all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit. Old Bay seasoning. Garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then onion powder, another 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, we're going to brown the chicken for maybe 20 minutes. So the chicken is almost done frying, and I just want to show you guys these chopped up ingredients here. I have red onion, 1 large red onion, 1 large tomato, 1 shallot, ginger, 1 hot pepper, 4 garlic, and then half of each of these bell peppers here. I'm going to blend these. I'm going to blend these 3 and then fry. Okay, when I was adding them, I thought it was recording, but I guess it wasn't. So, like I said, the blended garlic pepper and ginger, I put that in there first. The onion and shallot, and then the bell peppers. I will saute these for about 3 minutes or till they're succulent. I have the heat on medium right now, and then I'll add the tomato in a little bit. Okay, now we add the tomato. Stir. Tomato paste, 1 eating spoon. And then our seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of paprika, fish sauce, and just put a few drops in there, about a teaspoon oyster sauce. These are all for flavoring. Also about a teaspoon, and shrimp paste, tablespoon of that. I'll let it cook for another 2 minutes before I add the chicken. So I tasted this stew, and it still needs a little bit of seasoning, so I'll add about a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken flavor again, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add the chicken back in. And the liquid that was used to pressure cook the chicken. I'll let this cook on medium-high heat till it's fully done. And that's basically after the liquid dries. So the stew is all done. As you can see, there's practically very little liquid left, and that's what I want. I'm about to add this to my assorted roots and have dinner. Let's get to cooking the assorted roots. I am going with yam, cocoa yam, or edo as we call it in Liberia, sweet potato, and plantain. Just peel all of them and rinse very well. And by the time I could get to recording this video, my yam was almost all gone, but I managed to save a little bit. So cut all of them into cubes and add to the pot. Pour in enough water till it covers the roots. Cook uncovered on high heat for 20 to 30 minutes. And then at the 20-minute mark, you just want to poke a fork into each one of the root to make sure they're done. If not, you can cook for another 10 minutes. And once they're done, pour the water out, and that's it for your root vegetable. I could not decide on the thumbnail, so I had a few options here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.